Jana here. Welcome to my channel. How you been doing? So today we're going to make a cake, my favorite cake and my son's favorite cake. And lately, Yeppe's favorite cake, an orange cake. Super duper easy, super simple ingredients, stress-free, and what else to say? Delicious. So let's dig into the recipe. So you start by preheating the oven for 180 degrees Celsius. That will be 356 degrees Fahrenheit. And in a bowl, you're going to add the dry ingredients first: flour, sugar, baking powder, baking soda, a pinch of salt, and you're going to mix to combine. Now don't worry, all the ingredients are going to be linked in the description box below, straight to the printable recipe, to my website, and also in the description box below, fully detailed, okay? Alright, now we're going to blend 1 lemon or 1 orange or half and half with some orange juice and oil. And we're going to incorporate it to the dry ingredients and mix well. Now for when you're making a cake, you don't want to stir it too much because you don't want to develop the gluten in the flour, okay? Otherwise the cake is going to be too heavy. So this is one thing that I have learned because I thought that similar to when you make a bread, you're supposed to develop the gluten in the cake, but that's the opposite. The more you do it, the heavier your cake is going to be. And this is going to the oven for 40 to 45 minutes. You do the test with a toothpick, and if it comes out clean and dry, then your cake is ready. Alright, so now we're going to the fun part. We're going to make the glazing, which is super easy, and you are going to be addicted to it, I promise. In a saucepan, you're going to add sugar. Now, because we want a very clear and a very bright looking glaze, the ideal for this recipe here is for the sugar to be white, okay? If you don't have it, so don't worry. The only thing is that the glazing is going to look a little bit darker. And to that, we're going to add orange juice and some cornstarch diluted in a little bit of orange juice. And then you're going to dissolve. If you have a little bit of lumps of cornstarch, you make sure to dissolve it, and then you turn on the heat, and on a medium heat you let it cook for 5 to 6 minutes, but it doesn't need much, okay? And then you just put it on top of your cake, and then you enjoy it, and then you'll be amazed because this cake is spot on delicious. It's not so sweet, it's just perfect. So there you go, come on. How delicious is that? Of course I don't have any here to demonstrate it for you because this is long gone. I made it and it went like that. It was so delicious. And I hope you love it just like I do. This is very close to my heart. And if you make it, please tag me on Facebook and Instagram. I love when you guys do that. And apart from that, have a wonderful week. I see you next time. Take care of each other. Bye-bye.